Bonjour, vous allez bien? Ici Maki. Aujourd'hui, je fais de la soupe miso, un plat japonais typiquement fait maison. La recette de la soupe est celle de Kikuchan, cuisinière à la résidence de l'ambassadeur. Miso is one of the most famous and appreciated fermented seasoning in Japan. Miso is produced all over Japan. However, each region has a different tasting miso, from sweet to dry, depending on the climate and the distributions of ingredients and procedures of fermentations. The miso's color also varies from reddish brown to white. Miso is so healthy that there is a Japanese proverb saying, with miso there's no need for a doctor. You can also enjoy miso by dipping vegetables cut into sticks like this into a miso and mayonnaise mixture. Also, this miso mayonnaise is very tasty with fried potatoes and beer, which are famous here in Belgium. So please give it a try for your family or for aperitifs. Miso is really good for your health, and I will advise everybody to eat it every day as we do. You can use any ingredient you like, but today we prepare poirot, avocado, onion in Europe. This is miso from Kumejima Island in Okinawa, as you can see in my last video. The traditional way of making dashi is to use this kombu kelp. It makes a delicious taste, umami. Today I use a kombu from Laos in Hokkaido, the northern island in our country. If you don't have kombu here in Europe, you can use granulated soup stock, which you can find out the Japanese supermarket here in Belgium. First, fill the pan with water. This is whole 6 people. Now put the kombu into the pot. Rise the stove but with a very low heat. And we have to wait for around 10 minutes before boiling. And you can get a very good dashi from this kombu. During waiting for the dashi making, we prepare the vegetables. First, onion. So the kitchen, please help me. Now it's okay. Next, avocado. Not those. Here we go. So we will continue like this. Finally, it's a poirot. Like this. Now it's okay. Before boiling, we have to remove kombu. It's slippery. Like now we have a very good dashi. In Japan, before putting vegetables, we put dried and smoked bonito flakes. But here it's difficult to find, so I replace it by this soup stocks. You can find here in Brussels. Okay. First, I put onions, which will take time to be boiled. So, meantime, we will take these bubbles who are floating. That will distract the good taste of soup. Okay, now it's due time to melt down miso of Kumejima. And in order to put miso, Japanese making in this way, to melt down little by little. And now we can put the remaining vegetables. I think this is now very good miso soup now. We heat up after putting miso just before boiling. I stop now the light. And last but very important thing, in Japan we put mirin. I presented in the last time here as a secret hidden for the good taste of miso soup. Now it's ready. What I have to do is just take it to in the Japanese soup bowl, which is perfectly with the Japanese miso soup. So this is Japanese miso soup, which even you can make it in your family. Alors c'est fini pour aujourd'hui. Nous continuons à introduire plats et cultures liés aux ingrédients de chaque région du Japon. Bon appétit! C'est bon! Au revoir tout le monde! Sayonara et à bientôt!